Let's open the gift. This is from Aunt Maria. Here, open this one first. What's that? Look at that. An Elmo potty. Right? Go ahead, put it down right there. Wait, let's open this one now. This is also from Aunt Maria. Go ahead. There. Wow, what's this? What's that? Wow, and look, it has blocks in it. Say thank you. Say thank you. It's from Aunt Maria and Tiawani and Monica and Juan, right? Okay, let's put this aside so we can open up more gifts.